Okay guys, so this is my garden, my June garden. I told you guys that I'm going to give you an update after I organize everything. So this is how it looks. I got more of those red stones in, and I got all my tomatoes over here with the tomato cage that I made, and then I lined the pepper right next to it. So it's all different kinds of pepper. These are the bell pepper, and these are the sweet pepper, and I believe these are sweet pepper, and those are habanero, and then some California wonder, and I have some flowers here on my tomato coming up, and then there's some tomatoes that are growing right there, and there's some more over here. I don't know if you guys could see that. There you go, those are the tomatoes that are growing. So some baby tomatoes, that's exciting. I just pruned them all, so that's why they look very skinny and tall, not much leaves. I am very harsh with pruning. I like, nice and clean and pruned tomatoes. I don't like a lot of leaf. And this is a gadget that I made on my tomato cage that I made. I put 2 sticks, and I used this string to hold it up, because that's cherry tomato, and you know how they grow really tall. So I have some red spinach here, and just to give you a view, that's my 2 greenhouse. In front of it, on the side of it, is the tomatoes and peppers, and in front of it is, those are some cayenne pepper, which I have some flowers coming up, so I'm excited. And then in front of it, I have some red spinach. Those are some okras. They're very slow in growing, so I'm gonna have a late harvest on that. And these are my eggplants. So it looks like there's some eggplants coming up, hopefully. That's why watermelon. I'm very excited how that's gonna go, to see how that's gonna go. And then I have all my zucchinis, and I had some marigold to attract the butterflies and bees to pollinate my zucchini. Although I did hand pollinate this zucchini. Look at the size of that zucchini. I'm so excited. There was another one here that I harvested, and that's potato. This is the gourd, the cucumber looking kind of gourd plant. There's a whole bunch of beans that I did on the side with this trellis. This is the bitter gourd. Can't wait for it to fruit. And this is supposed to be like a Loki, it's one kind of squash, but it looks so much like the bitter gourd, so I'm not sure what that will be. I will let you guys know when it fruits. So this is all around my greenhouse, and inside the greenhouse, those carrots, like I showed you last time, it's growing beautifully. And I cook these leaves. Same thing with the beets, and I'm starting to see some beets coming up over there. I don't know if you guys could see that. There's some beets over here coming up, and then there's some onions, more red spinach, kale. This dill has gone so big. I have to cut it. Just have to find some recipe with fish and dill. My parsley. This is fennel. Some more flowers. Now the sweet pea season's almost over. It's getting very hot. We got so much sweet pea, so much. There's some still there. There's lots of peas. We got lots. And then this is my cucumber. So I have this net over here. Hopefully it will climb this way, because on the other side I have other trellis for the bitter gourd. So I'm hoping, we'll see. And there's lots of flower, lots of little cucumbers. And then there's my first big one. I'm so excited, guys. Look at that. Ooh. And then I see a lot of little ones too, so hopefully they make it through. My cabbage still forming bulb. They're forming bulbs. Very, very slow. This is a little bigger. So those are my cabbages. And my broccoli, guys. Oh, I better harvest this one. This is flowering. It's hot, so these broccolis don't last. They flower so easily. So I'm gonna have to harvest this broccoli. I already harvested one big one from here. There's some more. So, and then they have like side shoots of little broccolis that come up, but you know, I don't think it's gonna last through the summer. Plant might last and hopefully give me more broccoli over the winter, but these broccolis are gonna go to flower. It's already starting to. And my cilantro is all done. Basically, it's going to flower also. And they are cool weather crops, so there's more broccoli that never did anything. So I'm hoping to save these plant for the fall. Strawberry, we got lots and lots of strawberry, and now I don't know why they're giving me tiny little strawberries. So there's another strawberry tower there. And let's go into this greenhouse. This is supposed to be cauliflower. Nothing. I think this is also a cool weather crop. So there's a kale, another kale, spinach also going into flower, more cabbage. I don't know how well they're gonna do because it's warming up really hot. More cauliflower. My beans, guys, did so good. I got so much beans this year, so much already. And there's one hanging over here. Let me see if I can get that. And this one right here, a baby one. But I got so much beans. And this lettuce needs to be harvested. I have this cloth that takes up, I think, about 70% of sunlight when it gets too hot. So for the cool weather crop like beans, they will die if it's too hot. So I put this over to protect them from like the harsh sun. And I put it over the lettuce also, so then it could last a little longer. It's not gonna last too long. They're already looking like they're gonna go. But I need to harvest this lettuce. So there's another cabbage there, lemon thyme, mint, chives. It's another habanero. This habanero is not doing good. It's not even growing. It's so small. Scallions, more cilantro that went to flower. It's getting too hot. It's, you know, end of June, so rosemary growing, more pepper. So that's it, guys. That's my June garden, and I just wanted to update you guys since I told you that I was going to after I organized. So this is how my little vegetable garden looks like. Hope you guys had fun. Please subscribe and comment down below if you liked it or not, if you would like to get more updates when I get lots more harvest. Thumbs up, like this video if you did. Have a great day. God bless.